Event planning tips and ideas, number 4. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. As a keynote speaker and an event planner myself, for over a decade, bringing in presenters is so important and pretty scary. Anyone can put whatever they want on their sizzle reel. You and I need to take the time to do a background check. Go and see the presenter in another venue, and then pull the event planner aside and see what they're like to work with. A lot of speakers, look, going on stage can be so much fun, and it can also be very ego-driven. You want to know that when you're having your event, whether you bring in a trainer or a presenter, that they're a team player, then their intention is to help you accomplish your goal. Listen to the questions they ask you ahead of time, and if they're not asking questions, be careful. You don't want someone to come in with a canned sales pitch or a canned presentation, and then your audience doesn't get any feeling like it was just for them. So if you're bringing in a big celebrity to fill the seats, you still want to know, what are they like to work with? Do a little research. It's your event and it's your butt on the line. Your research time is going to show you volumes, but be careful. Listen between the lines. You want to watch the speaker's sizzle reel, the demo video. Make sure their message resonates with your theme or your audience. And then you also want to ask for a full-length keynote on video, unedited, so they can't cover any of the inappropriate or bad jokes or whatever else they might have done to cover up. You want to see an unedited, full-length keynote. And just take your time and do the research. Find other people who've hired these presenters. You might even go online and look at some of their testimonials. Now, granted, they're not going to show you the bad ones, but if you can find anything wrong, or if you can talk to anyone who's hired them before, it's going to go a long way to assure that you get the right presenter or speaker for your event. Do some research. It's going to save you a whole boatload of frustration later on. Hope that helps.